What's going on YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Barber Jase, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Big up to everyone watching this video right now. Chopstix Gang, you know where it's at. Today we got a special guest. I got one of my triad brothers coming all the way from Chinatown. I got man like Tom in the chair. We're gonna nice up the thing and we're gonna give him a rush hour haircut. But yeah, I hope everyone is good. Everyone is blessed. Lockdown has been lifted, so yeah man, hopefully we can go on holiday soon. But let's jump straight into the haircut. We're gonna cut the top first, so we're gonna wet down the hair, making sure it's fully wet so you get a nice tension and you can get clean sections. Made sure he didn't have any product, and I've made him wash his greasy head. Clean hair, clean haircut. So right now I'm just checking the previous shape of the haircut, and I can see it's super long in the middle. It's almost like a triangular shape, so I'm going to cut it more into a square shape and we're going to disconnect both sides. Doing a bit of point cutting to add a bit of texture. We don't want it too blunt, especially with Asian hair. It's very straight and doesn't have much texture, so it's nice to point cut to give it a jagged finish. Right here I'm using a pinching and sweeping technique, and you can see the guide right there from the previous section. So at the back of the head I'm going to cut it round so it's not as heavy. Right here I'm just connecting it in slightly. Now I'm finding his parting where he usually styles it. And now I'm keeping it disconnected, but I'm just chopping a little bit of weight out of that disconnection, connecting it in slightly. Now that the top is done, I'm just going to blow dry it sort of into the style. At the end I'm going to blow dry it a little bit more, but this is just to see how it sits when I'm doing the sides. Now starting off with my number 2 to remove any bulk. Not much came off with the number 2, so I'm taking it down to a 1.5 guard. The shorter the hair is, the easier it is to create a line, so I'm taking it down a little bit shorter before I start putting in my pattern. I'm starting by creating a curved line from just behind the ear. And I created a corner and put in a second line going vertical. After that, to make it sharper, I extended that bottom line, and it gives that bottom corner a thicker, sharper finish. So putting in another line, creating a corner, and then I always extend the line afterwards to make it sharper. I didn't know where to finish that line, so I extended it all the way to the other side before going back over my work to make it sharper, doing a bit of refining. And now I'm going to try and make it a little bit more 3D by putting in another line underneath it. So starting off by just lining up the hairline, following the shape of the first line that I created, leaving a thicker bit of hair on the left side and pointing it almost towards the bottom. Removing all the hair below that line. And now I'm just following the shape of my previous line and removing all the hair below it. Now I'm going to slowly fade it into the left side, the right side. And that is the pattern done. Now to finish off the rest of the fade before using my razor work to enhance the pattern even more. So that's my placement line, putting in a 0.5 placement line, and now all I need to do is fade it out on both sides. Finishing off the fade with a 0.5 guard. Now using my Barber skeletons to line up the rest of the hairline, giving Mr. Tom some naughty Chinaman triad pointed sideburns. Cheese! Now using my exclusive gold balance razor, make sure you use Chopstick 20 to get 20% off any of the products on this website, link in description. Now going over my pattern work, I sprayed a little bit of water on it just to give it an easier shave, and really using the back of my blade to enhance the bottom parts of the line. But that is the haircut basically done, guys. What do you guys think? Hopefully this haircut can give Tom more respect on road when he's running the streets of Chinatown. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell to become a part of the Chopstix Gang. Touching up the bottom parts with a foil before styling him up. I actually put in a bit of pomade and I'm blow drying, melting that pomade into the hair to mold it into position using my round brush. And there you have it, guys. He likes that fringe hanging over like Drift King. Jeez, man's feeling himself, yeah? Making sure my client is nice and clean at the end of every service. But that was the before, and cheese, that is the after. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Stay fresh, stay faded, stay blessed. You know who it is. It's your boy Barber Jase, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.